Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 6, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Nominations for the Palm Beach Post Best School in Palm Beach County have begun. PBMA won this incredible award last year. Please vote to nominate PBMA every single day. I will email parents the link to nominate PBMA again. The nominations end on November 11th. Thank you so much for your support. Our virtual holiday shop fundraiser has begun. The holiday shop is for both campuses. Students can purchase items online for their families and friends safely, and they can support PBMA at the same time. Items start at only $1 and will be shipped to the students' homes. The holiday shop will run from November 9th through November 23rd. I will send out the link by email. Students can use their PBMA Chromebook to shop. Thank you, Mr. Nicolini. National STEM Day is on Sunday, November 8th. Ms. Rodriguez is sending home some STEM ideas that students can do at home, either by themselves or with their families. STEM education is so important because it teaches students how to solve problems by using their critical thinking skills, to collaborate with others, to learn from their mistakes, and an increasing number of jobs require a knowledge of STEM. There is a biology and U.S. history testing on Thursday, November 12th. These students have been contacted. World Kindness Day is November 13th, 2020. All students and teachers on the secondary campus and the elementary campus should wear pink or your kindness shirt that day. Secondary leadership, journalism, and art class will be painting our campuses pink with random acts of kindness. Stay tuned to see that. The elementary virtual Scholastic Book Fair is November 23rd through December 6th. Parents can support our school and help their child discover new books, favorite characters, and much more. There is free shipping on book purchases over $25. Thanksgiving break is from November 21st through November 29th. The Palm Beach School District is now offering all students a breakfast, lunch, supper, and snack for Thanksgiving break and for 16 days of winter break. The meals must be picked up at Parent Pickup Line on Thursday, December 17th, and will be available on a first-come, first-served basis. There is still availability. I will resend the link to parents. December 8th through 10th is FSA testing for all of last year's 10th graders. This is a graduation requirement. Last week, the secondary school participated in Figurative Language Day. Miss Murphy was dressed to the nines. Here's Miss Short with Long Short Story. Miss Burnett is a cash cow. Miss Lawson is blind as a bat. Senora Tessier is a social butterfly. Mrs. Ballestero with a feather in her hat. Miss Tracy has a frog in her throat. Students Summer and Chase are snugs as a bug in a rug. Fun times, but it's all Greek to me. Miss Owens' kindergarten had fun holding an election last week. Miss Owens' class also learned about chemical reactions. The children watched balloons blow up without using their mouths. They learned that when you mix baking soda with vinegar, it gives off carbon dioxide that blew up the balloons. Miss Spiegel's fourth graders read about a famous collage artist and then watched an artist create a collage piece. The class also read an informational passage about wet chalk painting, and so we tried our hands at it, and here are some of the beautiful results. Here's Mr. Andrupont with some students to discuss the Basharat Gallery photos.
Hi guys, you may remember me. It's Mr. Andrupont. I have to keep my mask on. I'm in the hallway with students. I'm sure you've heard about the beautiful pictures that we have up in both of our schools. I have some students that are going to tell us a little bit about their favorite picture and why. So we have here, say your name.
Damien.
Hi Damien, is this your favorite picture?
Yeah.
Could you tell us why you chose this picture?
I like his eyes, his eye color. I like the way this is part blue.
Do you know that that's the name for this condition?
No.
That's your homework for me today. Find out the name of this condition, and I'll give you a hint. Maybe your principal, Miss Murphy, can tell you.
Alright.
All right, thank you. And then we'll move on to the next picture now. Who's next? All right, guys, we're now in the high school building, and we have Mitchell here who's going to tell us about his favorite picture.
Alright. I like this picture because the snake reminds me of something about like Kobe. Because like people reminded him of a black mamba and like.
Oh, I like that. All right, very good. Thank you. All right, we're still in the high school building, and we have with us who?
Bailey Pierce.
Bailey. Bailey's going to tell us about her favorite picture.
I like this picture because I like the happiness in their faces, and I like the cows.
All right, well, very good. Thank you for sharing. Hey, we're still in the high school building, and we have with us who?
Chase.
Chase. Chase is going to now tell us about his favorite picture.
This is my favorite picture because it shows like them like training to do parkour and stuff.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Who?
Parkour.
Is that
It's a sport.
a sport? Really?
It's
See,
like
you
Mortal
learn something
Kombat.
new every day. I've never heard of that. Thank you for educating me. Anything else?
No.
All right, well, thank you.
We will see more students with Mr. Andropont next week. Here are the elementary school Sharks of the Month and the secondary Sharks of the Week. Congratulations to Miss Salazano, our elementary teacher of the month. Thank you for everything you do for our students. Miss Salazaro is new to PBMA this year, and we are so happy to have her. Our secondary teacher of the month is Miss Short. Miss Short personifies the definition of a love of teaching and learning. She inspires students using a variety of different learning platforms and innovative teaching techniques. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.